Hi guys, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a little unboxing, and this is from Lisa, who's the Happy Crafter Shop on Instagram, and she is actually going to do a drop today at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So stay tuned. I'll leave a link to her page down below, and let's get started on this package. She always packages it so lovely. Look at that card. So pretty. And I'm just going to open this up. Oh, and this is her mini kit. So everything in here will be sold as a mini kit in this little kit here, and everything else is sold individually. So let's get through the mini kit first, and I'm going to open everything else. So I'm so excited. This is, I think, her first kit. And Lisa always she curates the best items. So we are just going to take all of this out. Again, this is the mini kit. And we have these darling little strawberry pop cabochons. So pretty. Look at these little rainbows. So I love the little mini kit because you get a little taste of everything. Again, perfect for summer. You have these little watermelon cabochons. You have these little ice cream cones. Super cute. And then you get these heart beads. And I'm just going to open one of them up so you can see. So these are a beautiful iridescent. And they are the hole that goes from the top to the bottom. So they are the perfect little bead for some wire wrapping or dangles. So you get a little sample of both, well, all three. The green, it's more like a greenish blue. So you get the greenish blue, the really pretty pink iridescent, and then the white / clear iridescence. These are so stinking cute. Love them. We also get a little small package of plastic bales, which are a must-have when you have these gorgeous cabochons. You have this little kawaii star rainbow. Absolutely cute. Here is one without the faces, which I like the option of having both. So you can get to pick between your cuties or just your little rainbow blast. And then you have this little floral bead. So cute. I love this little kit. You get a little taste of everything. Yay, Lisa. Okay, next up, we have these little tweezers, which I love because we get a tool. And let me just open this up. Everything is always wrapped so beautifully. So here is a little tweezer tool. I'm just going to push that back. It comes with a little wrapping. And look at that fine tip. So you really can just pick up all of the little itty bitties and stick it on with glue. Ooh, I love these, Lisa. And these are such a pretty color. So thankful for those. Ooh, I'm seeing some really pretty beads in here. So we have these little floral. Are these beads? Yes. So I'm just going to open these up. I'm sorry in advance. Well, not in advance, but for the crinkling. But we need to do these justice. So these have the most gorgeous textures, and there is a little, there is a little hole that goes up to the bottom. So these make a great little wire wrap, and they come in such vibrant colors. You've got a little bit of Christmas in here with the red and the greens, and then summer, and then you can use the orange ones for Halloween. So cute. Yay, I'm so pretty. And these are so faceted. I love them. Then let's go through. These will be sold individually. These will be launched individually, not in that little mini kit. So you have these little ice cream faces, and I'm just going to open these up. And these are so kawaii. Look how cute they are. So they're really shiny and pretty and adorable. Oh, she has these little teddy bears. Let me just open this up. Look how itty bitty these are. Oopsie. Oh, are these beads? I can't tell. Hold on. Yes, they're little itty bitty beads. So they are teddy bear beads and they come in array of different colors. Super cute and fun. I love how cute and small they are. They have that little hole in them. That's different. I've never seen that before. And again, Lisa does curate the best items. I'm just going to put that to the side. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, these are so cute. Let's see, how do I open these? These little, they're not little, but they are smaller than what I've seen before. These itty bitty bow beads. I love them and they're so perfect. Look, there's the hole for the beading, and then they come in all of the pastel yummies, which I am down for. You get all of these colors and you get a fair amount. This is a lot, so good bang for your buck. And then here is these little candy beads, again with the hole coming from the top to bottom, and all of the fun, yummy pastel colors. Super cute. And you get a ton. Ooh, these are different. I've never seen these before. And this is some leaf. They're kind of like a resin plastic leaf charm. And again, I love the array of colors because you get to match them with all of your different projects. Super cute. And then we have these little kawaii rainbow, I don't even know if they're little rainbow character. Oh my god, look how cute. This kind of reminds me of the Olympics, and it does have a kind of a different texture to them. They have a different finish. They're not shiny, which I love. They're matte. Again, super adorable, and you get a bunch of these little cuties. And then we have those little watermelon pieces that she did include in the little mini kit. This is like the watermelon slice popsicle, and this is just the watermelon slices. Again, so cute, so sparkly, and they have a really fine glitter to them, so I love them. And then last but not least, she has these 3 flowers, and I'm going to open them. I think they are, I'm not sure if they're cabochons, but they are flat back. Oh wow, and they are gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. Oh, and they have like a small indentation, so you can add like a small gemmy diamond dot to jazz these up. And she has them in the white and these really pretty like minty green. So you get the 3 different colors. And that is it for this fun unboxing. I will leave the link to her shop once again. She is dropping her sale today at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. These items go super fast. And that is it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.